In the ivory towers they hold the ground. With their journals and their rules they keep us down. But outside in the streets there's a voice that's clear, breaking through the silence, speaking truth we need to hear. Bringing science to the people, breaking free from chains of steeples. They're not afraid to stand alone against the high and mighty throne. Oh, they're the ones who share knowledge in the open air. How pure the risers in the night, shining truth like morning light. They call them names, say they're playing the light, but they're spreading the word, making darkness bright. They don't need a peer review to tell what's real. They go straight to the people, showing what they feel. Bringing science to the people, breaking free from chains and steeples. They're not afraid to stand alone against the high and mighty throne. Oh, they're the ones who share knowledge in the open air. How pure the risers in the night, shining truth like morning light. They call them names, say they're playing it light, but they're spreading the word, making darkness bright. They don't need a peer review to tell what's real. They go straight to the people, showing what they feel. Bringing science to the people, breaking free from chains and steeples. They're not afraid to stand alone against the high and mighty throne. Oh, they're the ones who share knowledge in the open air. How pure the risers in the night, shining truth like morning light. They talk of truth and they talk of lies, but the truth is clear in the people's eyes. It's not in journals or behind closed doors. It's out in the world and the cries for more. So stand up tall, don't be afraid to challenge the system, don't let you fade. We're done with the gatekeepers holding the key. Science should be open, it should be free. We don't need permission to ask or to know. Let the seeds of truth and curiosity grow. Bringing science to the people, breaking free from chains and steeples. And not afraid to stand alone against the high and mighty throne. Oh, they're the ones who share knowledge in the open air. How pure the risers in the night, shining truth like morning light. So let's lift our voices, let's make it clear. We want science for everyone, far and near. No more gatekeepers, no more walls, just open minds and the truth for all. Bringing science to the people, in every city, on every steeple. We'll spread the word, let the knowledge flow, from the mountains high to the valleys low.